Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to change Android icon shapes into different shapes. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. The first thing you have to do is go to your home screen and then just long press the screen. And here at the bottom, you can see that there are lots of options that you can choose to improve the design of your phone. And since we're aiming for the different shape, we're going to tap on the icon beside the wallpaper. This one. After that, you'll be redirected here, and this is where you can adjust the icon. So just adjust based on your preferences, just like what I'm doing right now. And now for the shapes, you can just tap on the custom to adjust the shape. And now you'll see the shape here. So then again, just adjust based on your preferences because it all depends on you. And once you're contented with how it looks, you can now tap on apply to save the adjustments you just made. And that's it for today's video, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!